Taxi. Surprise, surprise. It's been a day for that, hasn't it, Denise?
Yes, all flying through the red lights.
The vehicle that we're following.
Yep.
And look at all the traffic coming up the hill.
Yep.
Look at how many vehicles are in front of us turning. What do you think you should do?
Stay behind.
Perfect. If the first silver one went,
yeah, always have it.
What would you then do?
Then you could edge over a bit.
Now the lights have changed.
Don't they? Just stay in your parking space.
Perfect. And are you surprised again at the black one going through the red light?
Nope. Not used to, but the way you drive around by anyway. You can cross them bumps and you're about 3 foot in the air.
The lack of policing on the roads is just making the roads nowadays an absolute battlefield. It's getting worse and worse and worse.
What is that? That's not a proper one, is it?
EV10 ton.
Yeah, but it's not allowed. Together like that.
No, it should be spaced slightly, but
Will you not get pulled over for that?
maybe. You get pulled over for driving straight through red lights. Shit, where's ambulance? Roundabout will turn left, please. What do you say? Leave the gear, try not to look at it, listen to it, it's fine at the minute. Do we even need to change? No. Off we go. The taxi doing a left turn from lane 2. Honestly, brains they were born with comes to mind sometimes. You do the right turn. Mirrors first. Sound. Hold on. What position's the white Lexus got into? Offside to offside. Keep moving. We're going to go slow. Is there enough room to get behind the Lexus or not?
No, it's not. Yeah.
First gear. If the Lexus moves, we're going to move. Can we stop? Perfect. Do you understand?
Yeah.
Look at that as well.
Yeah.
Quick second. There's a gap behind her. Good. And off we go. Do you understand?
Yeah.
So that's what I was getting at. Keeping to the left in the middle.
I just thought you meant that first one for some reason.
Yeah, it's okay.
Yeah. But I do understand.
You get it.
Yeah.
That's fine, mate. No problem.
Sorry, just went through.
He certainly did, buddy. These bloody BMW drivers are all the same.
So after me half, and then I'm driving one now.
Funny, good effort. See down sides, clutch into first, and then you're ready to go again. Yeah?
Yeah.
So, coming in towards those lights, same thing here. We do not need another gear. Just gently slow, listen. Clutch, hands on the steering wheel. We don't need the gear. Have you ever driven a car with active cruise control on?
No.
Okay. Any idea what it is?
Isn't it where it reads the road?
Yep.
So it judges the distance from cars in front and stuff?
Yeah, and slows down,
Slows down
and
and
then
speeds back up again.
yeah, that's right. Yeah. My oldest lad's got a Golf. It's not a particularly posh one. It's a 1.6 diesel. It's an SE model. It's got active cruise control.
Yeah.
Boss, superb. Well, they obviously don't fancy stopping at red lights, and nearly got hit by that.
Right.
Yeah, you're not wrong. Look at that nugget. Funny. Still got to wait for a red light, mate. Bus driver.
You won't want to do the night ones. And if people are working, and they can only do it overnight, you're going to have no instructors, so
Yeah.
I sort of explain that with the feet. Your feet are doing something they're not designed to do. Your feet are normally designed to just walk like that.
Happy. Doesn't surprise me that the taxi sits and blocks the junction. Good, yeah, by all means, move us up. Seriously, is he just
Just as if he empty.
he's just overtaken them just to then go sit at the front of the queue? Where do they get off on that?
Don't know.
So can you use that on your test anytime you want, as long as it's safe to do so, obviously?
100%.
Yeah.
All right. Not a complete and utter blurt, he is. Second, mate. Saw the police camera and then jumped on the brakes.
Was on him.
How dangerous is that?
No.
What I'll be doing. I think I'm probably better off leaving it till the Wednesday and Thursday or something. With that, not next week we can.
Yeah.
The best driver from the police, was it?